Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials. Wi-Fi or Ethernet must be enabled and read as connected. Next, reboot the modem and router. Power off for about 30 seconds and power on, then wait 2 to 3 minutes so the network hardware fully reinitializes. Restart your device immediately after. This clears local network caches. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily to rule out tunneling issues. Once done, check whether pages load. If not, proceed to manual IP and DNS steps. You now clear addressing issues by renewing your IP lease. On Windows, use ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. On Mac OS, use DHCP renew in network prefs or sudo ipconfig set n0 DHCP. Flush the DNS cache to remove stale records, then switch to a reliable public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 so name lookups aren't the blocker. Next, ping the router to confirm local reachability, then ping 8, 8, 8, 8 to verify internet routing. Watch for consistent replies and low latency. You wrap up by resetting deeper network components. On Windows, run netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset, then reboot. On Mac OS, remove and re-add the network service to rebuild settings. Make sure router firmware is current and verify your ISP has no outage or account blocks. If the problem persists, test another device on the same network or tether your phone to determine if the issue is specific to one device or the ISP connection. Tip: if tethering works, factory reset the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.